Okay, let's begin with the news from across the border that first broke on India today. Bollywood director Kabir Khan was welcomed by a mob at the Karachi airport in Pakistan, and there were protests against his movie Phantom, which protesters called anti-Pakistan. The Indian filmmaker, who is famously known to have directed Bajrangi Bhaijaan, which also enjoyed a lot of success in Pakistan as well. He flew into Karachi on Tuesday to attend a conference, and on his way to the airport, in fact when he was to depart for Lahore, a handful of people surrounded him chanting slogans against the director for projecting Pakistan in a bad light. Though as you can see in these exclusive visuals playing out on your screens, that Kabir Khan maintained a silence and he looked visibly calm as he headed to the airport's departure lounge. Joining me from the newsroom is news editor Shiv Arur, and also Lasapriya Sundaram will get us more details from Mumbai. Shiv, if you could get us a little more details, what are these people really shouting about? Tell our viewers, what do you see in the video?
Well, this is a pretty disturbing video that we've been able to access. It was put out on Pakistan national media a short while ago, and it shows Kabir Khan, walking into the Karachi airport, being gheraued. He's surrounded by a bunch of people, at least 11 to 12 people, as you can see, in that particular video. He's threatened with shoes. He's abused. A lot of very, very threatening language is used against him, and all of it apparently because they say he makes anti-Pakistan films. Now remember, Kabir Khan, one of India's best known and most successful filmmakers, made Phantom last year, which apparently many in Pakistan have taken very personally. It is a film based on India's actions after 26/11, and then you've got him, the same filmmaker making a film like Bajrangi Bhaijaan. So obviously he's not a person with an agenda. Nevertheless, when has that ever stopped this kind of behavior in Pakistan, really? Pakistan has made grand statements about how Ghulam Ali is treated in India. It's made grand statements about the safety of its own artists when they visit India. Take a look at what happens to Kabir Khan. This is a situation that could perhaps easily have gone out of control. What if one of those persons had a weapon? What if somebody, had flung acid on Kabir Khan? He travels clearly without any kind of security. He was in Pakistan, and this is what happened to him.
Okay, Shiv, do stay with us. Let's play out these visuals for the viewers who are joining us right now. Let's try and listen in to what these people who surrounded Kabir Khan were actually saying at that point at the Karachi airport.
पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फिल्में बनाकर आपकी शर्म क्यों है? क्यों ऐसा ये हमारा मुल्क है, लोगों के खिलाफ फिल्म बनाओ, आम होता है, वहाँ तुम नहीं बनाते। सारे मुसलमान मार दिए वहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान में, एजेंट भेज दिया हमारे मुल्क में, कत्ल वारत गरी मचा रखी है तुम लोगों ने। कलभूषण लाना तो रात है, हिंदुस्तान पे लाना तो, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फिल्में बनाते हैं।
घुसके मारेगा, लोगों के खिलाफ बनाओ ना, क्यों नहीं बनाते हो? शर्म नहीं आती?
ये दूता पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फिल्में बनाकर आपकी शर्म क्यों है?
You can see in these visuals, Kabir Khan walks into the airport, and clearly these people were aware that Kabir Khan was going to come in. They start chanting shame, shame slogans. They also, of course, chant slogans of Pakistan Zindabad and tell Kabir Khan the question about the plight of the minorities in India. They raised the issue of Kulbhushan Jadhav as well. Remember the former naval personnel who has been caught in Pakistan and has been alleged of fomenting trouble there, an allegation that India vehemently denies. But Lasapriya is in Mumbai with us. Lasapriya, do we know what is this conference that Kabir Khan had been invited for? And keeping in mind his last release, why was there no security really around him?
Smita, Kabir Khan is an extremely well-known director. He's directed two films last year, which one was Bajrangi Bhaijaan, which starred Salman Khan, and the other was Phantom. Now the Salman Khan starrer Bajrangi Bhaijaan was a massive hit, even in Pakistan for that matter. The filmmaker was in Pakistan to attend a marketing conference, which was something that he was invited for, and this was something that he had gone on his own account. So as such, there was no security personnel surrounding him. But what needs to be taken into consideration is that Kabir Khan is a director who's made two very, very different films. One film which he's made, which is based on what happens after the 26/11 attacks and how the mastermind is quite literally nailed in that film. And the other film, of course, which was just about, human beings sort of, connecting, and it was about peace, it was about tranquility, it's about, looking at our differences and yet saying that, we can live peacefully. It's quite surprising that, an artist, somebody who's associated with the arts, with the movies,
Right.
something, which really doesn't make any political statement as such, because, he's always maintained that it was in the fictional space, Phantom for that matter. But also what needs to be taken into consideration is that Phantom was banned in Pakistan because, at the behest of course, the mastermind of 26/11 attacks. So what needs to be taken into consideration is that it's quite difficult to understand why he was attacked in this manner, considering he's made two different films and hasn't really portrayed about having an agenda in any of his films.
Absolutely, Lasya. And Shiv, Kabir Khan is somebody who's touched upon the issues of terrorism in the past. He even made a movie like New York, which was about the 9/11 and the post 9/11 scenario. The kind of ugliness in this episode that plays out at the Karachi airport raise questions as to why Kabir Khan moving around alone in Karachi. Does this raise questions about his security? Because he is still in Pakistan, and also the fact that why should artists be targeted?
You're absolutely right, Smitha, and you've traveled to Pakistan, so you know what it's like over there. Indians are constantly tailed by intelligence, sleuths wherever they go in that country. A person like Kabir Khan, who's a very well-known face and who obviously has rubbed people the wrong way in that country with the controversial subject matter of his films. He's made films, like you said, New York, Phantom, and specifically, which appears to be the immediate cause of this particular attack on him at the Karachi airport. The subject matter of that film actually involves Hafiz Saeed, an attack on Hafiz Saeed in response to what happened on 26/11 by Pakistan-sponsored terrorists. So this is obviously giving you two perspectives. A, the security of an Indian filmmaker in Pakistan is clearly in the wind. There is no security provided to him. He could easily, bodily harm could easily come to him clearly. The other aspect is, look at the offense being taken, the very personal offense being taken by people over something happening to Hafiz Saeed, who's a globally designated terrorist, the founder of the Lashkar-e-Taiba. So that gives you another sense of what's really going on in Pakistan and how strong voices in support of people like Hafiz Mohammed Saeed really are. And I think it's disturbing, but it's really manifest how things are in that country.
Absolutely, these extremist sections that continue to, in fact, take roots within Pakistan. We've seen these images come out, be it, of course, related to assassination of somebody blamed for assassinating a governor, to, of course, on other occasions. And Hafiz Saeed, of course, has been roaming around freely. He very recently actually even went and addressed students at Lahore University. So it was Professor Hafiz Saeed, in a way, the images of a globally designated terrorist. Let's play out these visuals once again as it happened at the Karachi airport.
पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फिल्में बनाने का आपकी शर्म नहीं है। क्यों ऐसा ये हमारा मुल्क है,
लोगों के खिलाफ फिल्म बनाओ,
आम होता है, वहाँ तुम नहीं बनाते, सारे मुसलमान मार दिए वहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान में, एजेंट भेज दिया हमारे मुल्क में, कत्ल वारत गरी मचा रखी है तुम लोगों ने। कलभूषण लाना तो राह पे, हिंदुस्तान पे लाना तो, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फिल्में बनाते हैं,
घुस के मारेगा, लोगों के खिलाफ बनाओ ना, क्यों नहीं बनाते हो? शर्म नहीं आती?
ये जूता अफजल है, मोदी को बोलना।
Okay, we'll continue to track, in fact, this story and also try and connect with Kabir Khan at some point through the day and get his reactions as to how does he feel about these protests, really.
Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has constituted a committee under the Transport Minister of Rajasthan, Yunus Khan, and all state transport ministers to submit a report on a bill to make fair